Hey everybody, we're standing inside the Learning and Resources Center at Central Piedmont Community College. You're looking at the back elevator. It's a 1968 OTIS bottom drive traction elevator. This is the original elevator to this building, and this building will soon be demolished. Unfortunate to say, in my opinion. This building has been here for 50 years. And if you haven't had a chance to check out my building tour, definitely check it out, because this building is really nice. It's not in the best of condition. The college will be demolishing this building and replacing it with a new library. The Terrell building is also getting demolished. They've already started asbestos abatement on it. So we're here to take a few last rides on one of my absolute favorite vintage elevators at this campus, and it's sad to see it go. Really is. Before we even get on, have a look at this. Look at this call station. That definitely screams 1960s Otis. This thing, other than a slap-on innovation panel in the interior and a replacement floor indicator, and a few other odds and ends like the electronic door sensor and stuff, it's original. Has its original controller and stuff like that. And again, it's bottom drive, so this is kind of a rare elevator. And also, recently, they redid the access to the G level. They replaced it with an electronic key, which on the elevator side, it typically is unlocked. You can get down to the G level, but if you don't have access, you can't go back up. If you can't call the elevator to the G level. So, we can get a full round trip on this thing. And I did get authorization to come here. I do have access in here to do my final tours and everything. Here it is. And it's got that annoying as all get out beeper on the safety edge. Man, this thing is amazing. Of course, you can hear the controller down here very well, because obviously the motor and controller is right next to us. This thing has 2 speeds, high and low. I mean, it's a 2-speed AC motor. It's not DC. It didn't light up. Sometimes it will. So that's the entrance to the library. Oh man, this thing's so fun to ride. The way it levels. Let's go to 1. Try this again. Okay, you see the directional indicator for up is lit. Let's see what happens when I select ground. Okay, it goes. I was going to see if it would reopen a door. I thought it did one time when it actually did that. Let's get you a cab view of this thing. Sorry, I know it's annoying sounding. Let's go to G. Okay, back we'll go in our tour of this amazing elevator. We're up on the 3rd floor of this library. This is definitely an amazing building. It's going to be a shame to see it go, and also a shame to see the elevator go. Anyways, let's go and take our final ride on it. These buttons I think are a little bit different. I'm going to stop at the second floor and we'll look at the buttons there. I think those were from the 70s. Get a close look at them. Those are a little different. I think that third floor was put in at some point. I don't think it was original to the building. What an amazing elevator. It'd be a shame to see it go. I'm gonna send it up and let you listen to it. Send it to 3. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this thing. Thanks for watching.